afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines. Once again, another one of our LS. This one has to be the LS3 427 stroker. Gorgeous, gorgeous motor. This one's going into a 67 Chevy Impala. And let me tell you something. It's custom painted blue. It's gorgeous. Got a nice full bolt March system on here. The Holley Sniper EFI system with the coil packs on the top. This LS bad boy just got done making 659 horsepower and 60 foot-pounds of torque. Okay, so if anybody would like one of our engines, give us a call. We'll be happy to put a quote together and get you on the waiting list. Hey, enjoy the video. All right, Darren, we got your 67 Chevy Impala engine here. Happens to be the LS3 427. We're gonna fire it up, give you a run demo. Runs great.